Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of CSS tutorial, I will show you how to align text. If you watch this video till the end, then you will be able to align text horizontally like this. First paragraph is aligned to center, second paragraph is aligned to right, and third paragraph is aligned to left, and finally in fourth paragraph, text align is set to justify. When a text align is set to justify, each line is stretched so that every line has equal width and the left and right margins are straight, like magazine and newspaper. So without any delay, let us practically see how to align text. Now let us start coding. Let us change title of document to aligning text. Now let us create 4 paragraph element. Let us copy some dummy text from here and paste it between p tag. Put line break at the end. Now let us copy this paragraph element and paste it here for more 3 times. Now let us assign ID to each one of these paragraph element. Let us set ID of first paragraph element to P1. Now let us set ID of second paragraph element to P2. Let us set ID of third paragraph element to P3. And finally let us set ID of fourth paragraph to P4. Now let us save the file and see we could create paragraph element successfully or not. As you can see, we could create 4 paragraph element successfully. This is first paragraph, this is second paragraph, and this is third paragraph, and finally this is fourth paragraph. Now by using CSS, let us align this paragraph. For using CSS, we need to go to each section and use style tag. Now let us select element by its ID. So I want to select first paragraph element by its ID, so I will use hash sign followed by ID P1. Type opening and closing curly braces. Now for aligning text, we need to use a CSS property called text align. So let us use text align property. Text align center. Now let us select another P element by its IDs hash sign P2. Type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us use text align property. Let us set the value of text align property to right. Now let us select another HTML element by its ID hash sign P3. Type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us use text align property. Let us set the value of text align property to left. Now finally let us select fourth paragraph element by its ID hash sign P4. Type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us use text align property. Let us set the value of text align property to justify. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save our file and see we could align the paragraph successfully or not. Go to file, select save. As you can see, first paragraph is aligned to center, second paragraph is aligned to right, and third paragraph is aligned to left. And finally, fourth paragraph is not justified I think there is a problem, so let us find the problem and solve the problem. I think here it should be P4, not P41. Now let us save the file and see fourth paragraph is justified or not. Go to file, select save. As you can see, the fourth paragraph is justified. Okay guys, this was the way of aligning text. If you liked this video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.